How to repost Telegram story. Hello, digital family. With the new Telegram update, sharing stories from other profiles to your profile is now possible. Today, I will show you how to implement this option. So let's get started. Open Telegram. Open a story from your contacts or channels you follow. Click on the curved arrow in the bottom right corner. A new menu has opened where we can choose contacts to whom we want to send this story. And here, a new feature is now available, Repost Story. Click on it. A new page for setting up the story has opened. In the bottom part of the story, we can see where we are sharing this story from. We can also add a story title by clicking here. I will enter the title, Test Your Wi-Fi. If you have Telegram Premium, you can also set the duration of this story here. You can add more elements and further edit the story. I will just click on the next button. Now choose who can view your story. Click on Post Story, and that's it. I like this Telegram option. How about you? Write in the comments. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest updates of widely used applications.